tree down. Oh, it's got a hold of the wires too. There was enough to put a layer of ice on the water. Wow. Even the fields have a ton of ice on them. Those birch trees are leaning over bed. Jeez. Obstacle course. Well, isn't that something? And they're still falling. The amount of ice that is on the trees is insane. You can't go under them or you'll get a piece of ice in the head or a branch or something. The cruise route last night, I could hear chainsaws, and I was waiting for a tree to fall on the van, seriously. But I could hear chainsaws running, and they've moved a lot of the trees off the road, but they still continue to fall. I figure it's going to be days before power is restored. There's a lot of lines down. It's just even to get to the lines is going to be a mess because there's so many trees down in areas where there's like a swath cut. Pretty bad. Anyway, guys, hope you're having a great day. You guys take care. Be safe on the road.